Hey, so probably the single most important way for you to stay organized in this course and on track is with the weekly overviews, right? So when you watch the intro week one right here, I showed you the overview for the week, right? And so you can always hop back into these and take a look at this, right? And so if we just click on the week one overview, we get this nice flat view of what's going on for the week. We can see what's due when. That we've got a Canvas class here, 1A, that you're doing right now. We've got a Canvas class 1B that you'll need to do somewhere around Wednesday, right? The projects that are due on those days, of course, everything's due on Friday for week one. You can see that you've got a lab coming up, that you've got concept quizzes on Friday, right? So this is by far the easiest way to stay on track is just to look back at these things now and then, right? So you want to look at these probably, every Sunday night before the week starts. And then the other thing that we have going on here, right, we've got our labs, and those are worth the most points in the whole class, so we really want to be prepared for those. So we use our lab prep. To do that, I'm going to hop back over to modules, and it's just below this, right? I could have just clicked next. It's the next thing down, right? So the lab one prep. I'll just click on that, and this is going to open up a Word document right here. And if I open that Word document, it's going to look like this, right? Here's the lab prep for lab one. So before you come to lab this week for lab one, you want to take a look down here and say, hey, do I know how to do this stuff? Here's a picture of what we're going to do. And then do I know how to do this stuff? Well, let's see here. Merge, number 4 here, merge and center, wrap text and merge cell. Do I know how to do that? If I can't remember how to do that, I should go back to the homework project, to the homework simulation, and get this figured out, all right? I need to figure this out before I show up for lab, or I won't know what I'm doing when I come in to take the test, right? I'm going to hop back out of this and hop back into modules, and you can see we've got one of these for every week, right? The first thing that you'll do every week, if we get down here into week 2, right? We'll see when you do this introduction, I'll show you this overview. You can always click back into that yourself. You can see, hey, look at this. We got a holiday coming up. We're not doing anything for Monday and Tuesday. All I have to do is worry about the first class on Wednesday. Again, you can see there's a lab coming up, right? So this is a nice way to look at this thing. You can always refer back to this to figure out what's going on during the week. And of course, if we click next, we'll hop over into the lab prep document, open this up, and you can get ready for your lab when you come in on Thursday or Friday. Okay, so that's a good way to stay organized, and you can always hop back into these things and get ready for what's coming up during the week.